If you're in the business of healthcare, MCOL is in business for you. We cover the spectrum of healthcare business topics important to stakeholders with an audience of over 180,000 healthcare business professionals. Whether you need to build your brand, promote your announcements, establish yourself as a thought leader, or get leads for your sales team, we're experts in target marketing with campaign management solutions for every budget. MCOL offers you a rich array of sponsored content opportunities with our experienced team of writers, designers, speakers, and experts who will create insightful, compelling, and thought-provoking content to engage your audience, including our turnkey full-service webinars or white papers, e-briefs, and articles with custom, engaging, high-quality content to communicate your expertise, or visually appealing infographics and infographoids with customized data matching the topic of your choice to build brand awareness, as well as surveys and e-polls with customized questions distributed to our audience, and podcasts to share your story in sound bites. We provide lead generation with guaranteed results as an add-on option for any sponsored content package, as well as enhanced promotional services, including social media and featured guest interviews. And of course, we continue to provide our core promotional opportunities with MCOL email and print newsletters, including dedicated email blasts and exclusive sponsor messages. So, request your free 2018 MCOL ad kit today. Go to MCOL.com, click Advertising from the main menu, select the MCOL overview, and click to submit your request. Or feel free to call Claire Thayer and have a kit sent to you by calling 503-226-9850 or email her at clairet@mcol.com. Remember, we're in business for you, and we hope to hear from you today.